Business Dose presents.
Hello guys, what's up? Hello guys, how you doing? So in this video, I'll just do a video on how you can make money. You know, one song can get you paid $7, two songs, $14, 10 songs, $17, and so on. Like you can literally make money with this website. The name of the website is Upload Forever. Like let me show you the proof here. Like this is like the proof of people making money here. Like let me check the date. 22. Oh, it's this yesterday. Just imagine someone $41, $5, $1, $2, $1, $6. Like it's just massive. $2, $20. Like it's just like it's like a lot of people are making money here like in a day. This is like the payout option, like using PayPal as the payment option. So it's really massive, guys. Like this video, like this is not a get rich quick video. Okay, like this like actually you like taking your time to like work, and yeah, like being paid for your time. That it's just as if you want to like try and just work on your time. Like you take your time to work on videos on musics, but at the same time you get paid, and those money will be paid for will paid to you in each, probably in different options like this. Let me just show you. Payment method, we have PayPal, we have Pay, Web Money, Perfect Money, Paysera. It's just amazing. Skrill, Neteller, Payoneer, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Western Union. Like the limit is just the limit is dope. All right. So t- personally, it's not as if this is what I do every day to like make money. No, it's why I do is YouTube automation, like for passive income, but just for side hustles and just to raise an extra cash. And that's why if you take your time and work on this, I tell you, nobody has ever complained, because this is real, like genuine, because you'll be getting results. Because see now, people are making a lot of money here. Like just imagine $12, $2, and $20. The amount you can make in a day, it has no limit, because it all depends on how much work you are like you know you understand. So it all depends on how consistent you are, like how really you really want to make more money. Understand? And the payment option, and almost everybody has these payment options. Almost everybody has one of these payment options, and the limit for payment option for PayPal is $1, Pay is $1, Web Money $1, Payoneer $60, Skrill $5, Bitcoin $1. So once you make on in your account just $1, you can even withdraw. Just is that not like that? Is amazing, guys. That's really amazing. So for you to start, all we need to do is to just get some free reality musics like that we can use. So this is an amazing website that people come here to buy lots of music, videos, pictures, like just to use. These are like copyright free stuff to use. So our work now is to just get some amazing content and just post it. And we can either drive traffic to them or just leave them up, because a lot of traffic comes to you. Upload for forever. So just to make more money, we can invite more people. You can like invite people to through your link, through your referral link, or you can send your link to people like through your social media stuff, like that social media page. Like you have a lot of options to drive traffic to. I'll show you how I'll go about it. So as regards this, and okay, I think there's one last thing that I would like to use. Okay, people come here to take content like this upload for because all these contents can be reused and they will have full license to, to them. So for us to get this, all we have to for us to start now, all we have to do is go to Pixelbay, and Pixelbay, it's an online website whereby you can get photos, videos, music, sound like a lot of royalty free stuff to like download to your system and use for your YouTube, for your accounts and stuff like that. So we just okay, let's just play some songs and just hear the, the different sounds, because we like that because we want to like use around probably 10 musics or 15 music or 20 music. It like that's why I said it depends on on how far you are willing to like put in the work. This is very simple. Just come to Pixabay, download, that's all. But let's just try and listen to the song. Let's try and listen. I think that music is awesome, guys. It's awesome. Let's listen to another one. Yeah. That one is boring. That one is boring. So you want to find some music that are kind of catchy and kind of inspiring, and mm, you think this music is amazing? Just comment in the description below, guys. Just comment in the section below. Let me know what you guys think. So let me download this. See, just one click, downloaded. That's all. Like amazing music on my system already. Wow, this is amazing. This is amazing, guys. This is amazing. Let me download one more. Wow, wow, wow. This is amazing, guys. Okay, so you want to repeat this same thing that I'm doing, just download like probably 20 videos or 50 videos or 15 videos, Okay, so we're now going to come back to upload.forever.com. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is that you can upload different files actually, and you even get paid doing them. Like, see, it's just very like just click of the button, you see upload your files from your computer. So I'm gonna choose file now. So just let me see. So I'm gonna choose file. So it allows you to upload for free, and it's not as if you are getting paid, you are getting charged or anything. The website, this website is free. Like, everything is free. You are not like paying for any subscription or any stuff like that. So let me just show you how everything works. So I'm gonna choose file. Let me just choose this file. So guys, do you see now? So description, I don't know what to describe. I don't know what to describe. You don't have to describe anything at all. You don't need this. You can just say probably. You can just say, okay, let's say maybe stomping rock can be amazing. Yes, amazing. Happy now. You can just go online and just find some amazing stuff to use. Amazing, amazing banging, amazing bang. Oh, it's a bang. Amazing. So you're almost done. So just check this out. So these are the files now. So this is the first one, the second one, the third one. So do you see now? Just check them out, like for real. They are public, so they are viral now. So you can start making money from there. So once you're done, all you have to do is, okay, you're already in my file, so you can just come here. My files. Let me just show you how you go about it. My files. Like for my files, it's just follow me, okay? My files, you just click on this action button, okay? Just check them out. So you can add more descriptions. Let's just add something more. Amazing, superb, yeah. Add your price. Let's say $7. Submit. Okay. So the try down is on now. Use $7. Let me add this one also. Let me add maybe $4 or $5. This one can be like $5. So I'm gonna submit. Okay. So I'm gonna submit this that as well. All right. Okay. So we're almost done. So this I'm gonna put this one. Let's just say be $3. $3. Just be creative and just try and just work around. You don't have to be static, all right, and just you don't have to be static. Okay, just try and do your stuff like that. Just try and work around it and just be creative. Yeah. So publish them. So the first one, so let's try and check on it. I want to show you how you make money, like how you try to see. Do you see now? Do you see download file item? This is your link. This is your link. This is your own link. So you can copy this your link, share it on anywhere just to make more money. Share it on different platforms to make more money. So once people comes here, so they'll click on adverts. Of course, people really click on ads for you. This is your download link, but people will click on ads, check them out. Some people buy from here, so that's how you make more money. And they can download your music as well, your own music that you got for free from Pixabay. Like, guys, isn't this amazing, guys? So that's everything. That's how to make more money. So guys, just like this video, subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. And guys, let me see your content. Let me see your comments in the comment section. Just tell me how your day was, guys. Because my day was probably stressful, like for you. It was stressful for a little bit. It was stressful. So tell me how your day was, okay, guys. I would really love to engage with you and just connect with you, yeah. Because I believe this is a family, so let's just connect and engage ourselves. All right, so guys, have a very nice time.
If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well.